is an agile approach for developing innovative products and services. Though Scrum is most commonly used to develop software products, the core values and principles can be used to develop different types of products or to organize the flow of various types of work. Scrum is not an acronym, but rather a term borrowed from the sport of rugby, referring to a way to restart a game after an accidental infringement or when the ball has gone out of play. Even if you're not a rugby fan, you've probably seen a scrum where the two sets of forwards struggle to gain possession of the ball. With an agile approach, you begin by creating a product backlog, a prioritized list of the features and other capabilities needed to develop a successful product. Guided by the product backlog, you always work on the most important or highest priority items first. When you run out of resources, such as time, any work that didn't get completed will be of lower priority than the completed work. The work itself is performed in short, time-boxed iterations known as sprints, which usually range from a week to a calendar month in length. During each iteration, a self-organizing, cross-functional team does all of the work, such as designing, building, and testing. Typically, the amount of work in the product backlog isn't able to be completed in one short duration sprint. So, at the start of each sprint, the team plans which high priority subset of the product backlog to create in the upcoming iteration. At the end of the iteration, the team reviews the completed features with the stakeholders to get their feedback. Based on the feedback, the product owner and team can alter both what they plan to work on next and how the team plans to do the work. At the end of each iteration, the team should have a shippable product that can be potentially released. If releasing after each iteration isn't appropriate, a set of features from multiple iterations can be released together. As each iteration ends, the whole process is begun anew with the planning of the next sprint.